Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of shoelaces, but not just any shoelaces. We're talking about the best soccer lace covers available, Lace King's Round Rope Shoelaces. If you're tired of your shoelaces constantly coming undone during intense matches, or if you simply want to upgrade your soccer cleats with a pop of color and style, then Lace Kings has got you covered, literally. Let's talk about what makes these lace covers stand out from the rest. Made from 100% polyester, these round rope shoelaces are not only durable but also stylish. They come in a vibrant blue-black color combination, adding a touch of flair to your soccer cleats. But it's not just about looks. Lace Kings understands the importance of functionality, which is why they've included a unique lace tube for convenient storage. Say goodbye to tangled laces. Simply swap out your old ones and keep them safe and secure in the tube. Now, let's talk versatility. These shoelaces aren't just for soccer cleats. Whether you're rocking sneakers, gym shoes, basketball shoes, or even casual wear, Lace Kings has you covered. With one pair per tube, you can mix and match to your heart's content. Getting the right fit is crucial, and Lace Kings makes it easy. Simply measure your old shoelaces from tip to tip, stretch them to full length while measuring, and you'll get the most accurate replacement sizing. Plus, with various length options available, you can customize your fit. Now, let's talk quality. Lace Kings prides itself on crafting laces that not only look good but also feel good. With tightly woven yarn that resists fraying and snagging, these shoelaces are built to last. No more worrying about your laces coming undone mid-game. So, whether you're hitting the soccer field or just looking to add some style to your kicks, Lace King's Round Rope Shoelaces are the way to go. Upgrade your game, upgrade your style. Lace Kings has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, stay stylish.